Hello and welcome to this video on the many worlds theory. This theory, also known as the multiverse theory, suggests that there are an infinite number of parallel universes coexisting with our own. It's a concept that has been around for centuries, appearing in ancient mythology and folklore, but it was physicist Hugh Everett who first proposed the modern version of the theory in the 1950s. In this video, we'll be discussing the origins of the many worlds theory, the evidence for its existence, the implications it has for our understanding of the universe, and the criticisms it has faced. 1. Origins of the theory. The idea of parallel universes can be traced back to ancient mythology and folklore, but it was physicist Hugh Everett who first proposed the modern version of the many worlds theory in the 1950s. He suggested that every time a quantum event, such as the decay of an atom, occurs, the universe splits into multiple copies of itself, each with a different outcome of the event. This idea was based on the concept of quantum superposition, which states that a quantum system can exist in multiple states at the same time until it is observed. Everett argued that rather than collapsing into one state, the quantum system splits into multiple universes, each with one of the possible outcomes. 2. Evidence for the theory. There is currently no direct evidence for the existence of parallel universes, but there are several pieces of indirect evidence that support the theory. For example, the cosmic microwave background radiation observed by scientists can be explained by the existence of multiple universes. Additionally, the theory has been successful in explaining certain phenomena that were previously difficult to understand, such as the apparent wave-particle duality of light and matter. However, it should be noted that there are also alternative explanations for these phenomena that do not require the existence of parallel universes. 3. Implications of the theory. If the many worlds theory is true, it would have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It would mean that every possible outcome of every event has occurred in some parallel universe, including events that seem highly unlikely or impossible in our own universe. It would also mean that we are just one version of ourselves among an infinite number of others. This can be a mind-blowing concept to consider, as it suggests that there are infinite versions of ourselves living out every possible choice and outcome in the multiverse. 4. Criticisms of the theory. One criticism of the many worlds theory is that it is difficult to test and therefore may not be a scientific theory. Additionally, some argue that the concept of multiple universes may be untestable and therefore unfalsifiable, meaning it cannot be proven or disproven through scientific experimentation. This has led some scientists to question whether the many worlds theory can truly be considered a scientific theory at all. As we've seen, the many worlds theory is a captivating and thought-provoking idea that has captured the imagination of people for centuries. It's hard to wrap our minds around the concept of infinite parallel universes coexisting with our own, but it's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the nature of reality. While the theory remains a topic of debate and there is currently no direct evidence for the existence of parallel universes, it's an intriguing possibility that forces us to consider the limitless possibilities of the universe and our place within it. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration into the many worlds theory.